to the other two for myself. We're really trying to take it seriously.
At Manalapan Hardware, a sight for sore eyes, pallets filled with ice melt. Local resident John Jerushevitz is taking home some for his house and his friend who couldn't find any at a big box store.
I'm buying my rock salt here for myself and for friends, and we're just going to assume the worst, hope for the best.
So I just got ice scrapers. We already have the salt, and I want to get an extra shovel so my kids can help me with the shoveling.
Store owner Al Cuomo knows ice melt has been hard to come by for many.
We're keeping it a limit to 2 bags a person. We're not letting anybody buy it all. We've had people come in want to buy it all, but we're trying to be fair to everyone. That's, the best thing to do.
On to much bigger salt stockpiles, Monmouth County's Highway Division spent Friday afternoon loading up trucks with treated salt, just one key in the equation of fighting the effects of this storm.
Our public works team readying all the snow plows. We'll have literally every piece of equipment that we can on station, ready to go.
Monmouth County Sheriff Sean Golden says additional patrols will be out on the roads, including high water trucks ready to go to help any drivers that may find themselves stranded. He says the best thing you can do, stay home.
It's the weekend, right? So we're lucky there's going to be no rush hour traffic, and there's going to be not a lot of need to get to work. So we encourage our residents to always, stay home if they can. Let our snow plows do the work, and our emergency crews get access to where they need to be.